Hi friends, today we will see the week 2 assignment, the joy of computing using Python. So in that, first question is, which of the following is high level programming language? That answer is C, Python. Second question is, which of the following is an example of a front-end programming language? That is HTML, option C. Third question, which of the following is easy to store data in programming language? Options A and B are correct answers. Variables, arrays. Which statement will print the joy of computing? Answer is D, print the joy of computing. Fifth question, what should be the value of the print numbers from 0 to 10? The answer is C, 11. Sixth one, which of the following keyword is used to declare a function in a programming language? Option is A, def, D-E-F. Seventh one, what will be the output of the following code? Then the output of the seventh question is B, 45. Eighth one, what will be the what will C store in it after the execution of the below code? C equal to B star 3. Answer B, cube of B. Ninth one, what will be our output of suppose input is 30? Answer is 300, C answer. What is the output of the following program? A equal 3, B equal 4, C, A greater than B. Print C, true, false. It will display an error message boolean. Answer B, false. Thank you friends. So these are the answers related to the joy of computing using Python 2 week 2 assignment. Friends, if you like this video, you can share this video with your friends and subscribe this channel. Thank you friends.